Dear viewers, now we are going to use PloyLine. So line and PloyLine work in same way, but they have some basic difference. So this is the tools. In our previous lecture, I have shown you how to use line command to draw some tools like that. Now I'm going to use PloyLine. So here PloyLine. Similarly, if I go for that option, then simply I can create PloyLine like that, just same as our line command. You can use PloyLine. But what is the major difference between them? This is the tools we have drawn in line, and this is the tools we have drawn using PloyLine. So just see, if I click on a portion of the tools, just see our object, it's selecting individually. That means this whole section are, line create a section individually. But when I will create our tools which have been created with PloyLine, just see, it's selecting its whole object at a time. That means it will create a object, but here you will see the difference that this object are single object, and here this object have a multiple line attached with it. So this is the simple difference between line and PloyLine.